Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you and review Clickup plans, like which one you should choose. And I'm going to explain to you what are the best features in each of those, and that's pretty much it. So let's click see full comparison in Clickup. So the first thing we can do is to simply switch between annually and monthly. I will leave it on annually. So let's go from the, I just want to explain enterprise, and then we will go to all of those. Now enterprise, I would definitely recommend using enterprise if you need to have protection. So when I would scroll down below and security, you see that yes, two-factor, you get on each of those. Google single sign-on in business, only on business, but everything else like custom roles, restrict public sharing, manage private spaces, it's like having for corporate world or like a company which handles and needs like really important security. Restrict who can add guests, like everything. So enterprise is really good in this regard. Now let's go to the free one. Free one is like if you're starting out, if you have unlimited tasks, so that's pretty good, but you don't have like custom views, only 100 users, file storage 100 megabytes, that isn't that much, but it's really great for testing out Clickup if you like it. Now everything is literally limited, and there for the basic project management it's good, but other than that it can get really limited. So free forever, of course it's a freemium version that yes, you can use it for free, but you have limited options. Then you have unlimited and business here. And what are the differences here? So guests, you have 5 guests, of course you have tasks, spaces, custom views, file storage, everything unlimited. You have 5 guests, it's unlimited. In business you have 10 guests and 5 extra seats. Then you have custom fields. You can advance as a permission settings, you get branding and customization in forms if you want to have them. Then you have more automations. Automations are a really great way how you can automate processes, and having a business is really good if you can have like a lot of automation. So if something happens, then this will happen. Then you have sprint automations. This is used also for developers who are programming. So let's say you have like programming someone in your team, and they need to do sprints to solve some problems in the program. In Pulse, you can have like historical data of how people are working, and then timeline view, workload view, everything is unlimited here. And proofing, custom task ID, private protect and default views. This can be really important for you in business if you want to like not only have spaces private but also views, so you don't have to create a new space which would be private. You can just have a views which are going to be private. And then you have like integrations, and then you have on most got everything, but yes, you don't have timesheets. Zapier is in all, and Tableau is only in enterprise. Customer support is like the best one in enterprise, so this is a bummer. Like I would guess that even in business you would have the good support, but you have it only in enterprise. And as I mentioned, in security you have the business, the Google single sign-on two-factor. So that's pretty much it. I mean, only the unlimited is really good, but if you need more automations, more guests, and there is something lacking when you would be using unlimited, then I would go with business. But I would go with unlimited, test it out how you like it, and then maybe go to business. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.